All right, so we got our DJI drone. It's a Mavic Air. I'll show you a little video of it here real quick, but weather is horrible outside. We just got it, and of course, I'm really excited to try it out. So we're gonna just let it hover in the kitchen. I don't recommend this like in a basement or something like that, but our kitchen does have some vaulted ceiling, so just hoping that we'll have enough room to do that, and just kind of, I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but it's just pretty excited to try to take off here, and hopefully it's a good video. All right, so here's our DJI Mavic Air. It's all, started up first time. I don't know how this is gonna go. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, but pretty excited. Like every other person, you get something and you get a brand new toy and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta try it out. So outside the weather's pretty bad, so I don't really want to go out there. There's a bunch of snow everywhere, drifts, if you can see that in the video. Wind. Where we live, that's kind of what you get. So being that I'm not that patient to wait and try it out till we get rid of some snow drifts and everything, I figured, well, what the heck, we'll give her a shot in the house. Okay, it goes up to 4 foot, just like it's supposed to, and hovers in place. So, kind of loud, but it's pretty exciting. I didn't crash it for my first shot, thank God. Sweet, huh? Pretty cool. It'll flat. It's just another battery. It'll flat in an hour or a mile away.
That's sick.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. All right, so just kind of a tip. I actually went, brought it up like I showed, brought it back down, tried to kind of cruise around the house a little bit. I actually did really good. I was kind of proud of myself. I've never done this before, just watched some YouTube videos. I did bump into one wall and didn't hurt the drone at all or anything like that, but it was, I bumped into one wall and kind of knocked a candle off the wall, and the drone fell on the floor, but it was only, maybe 5 feet in the air, so on the carpet. So pretty good, no damage to it or anything like that, but I've seen some worse things. So all I can say is definitely if you do try to fly your drone in the house, I would do the, make sure when you take off, it'll give you the option to do the 4 foot. Don't go higher than that. I did kind of notice that just in the house, And maybe it's this way outside too. Of course, this is my first try, but in the house, you know, there's certain little areas where I think with, you know, if you've got a, you know, fan going in the house, or maybe you've got, you know, you're by a heater vent or something like that. I did notice kind of in our living room, it adjusted height a little bit. And I think that's kind of where I corrected it and then bumped the wall. So I did see somebody say put the prop guards on, and that's actually probably a good idea. Because, you know, I was lucky. I could have just crashed right into the wall, which, you know, trying to move forward. Because it does take a little bit of time to get used to because of the way the joysticks work. And, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm really like it a lot. And, you know, I'm excited to get some drone footage of some trips we take, some RV parks. We like to go to resorts and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get some good drone footage of that. So definitely check out our other videos. I'll be taking some more drone videos just to kind of show people what I've learned. But, you know, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.